here, 60 down, small crest, 5 left long. And 100. Small crest to the right, 4 long. Or 4 right. Okay, 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, 5 left long. 100 down mid. Down mid. Right over small crest to 4 right long. 4 right long here. 40. Flat right. And down. 4 left, 2 right. 4 left, 2 right to 2 left long. So 2 right to 2 left long. 2 right here to 2 left long. To junction. 40. 40 flat right. Flat right, 130. 3 left, tightens into hairpin left. 3 left here, tightens into hairpin left, goes all the way around. Hairpin left. Here. And then hairpin right. Hairpin right. Into 4 right long. 4 right long. 4 right long. 60. Turn hairpin left, the top here. Turn hairpin left. And 6 right into 5 left. 6 right, 5 left. 40. 6 left opens over small crest into 5 right. 5 right. 100 at mid. Hairpin right, deceptive. Hairpin right, top here. Yeah, that's it. No cut. And 5 left continues for 80. Into flat right. Flat right, 60. Another flat right, 40. 2 left long into turn 3 right. 2 left long here. To turn 3 right, it's another 2 left. Into turn 3 right, 2 left. 40. 4 left long. 40, turn hairpin right. Keep going all the way down the bottom. That's it. Hairpin right here. 130. Come back. Up back. 2 left in. And flat left. 2 left in. And flat left. 40. 5 left. 5 left opens over crest bump. 60k goes down to open hairpin left. Open hairpin left here. Goes all the way round. All the way round. Into 2 right long. Into 2 right long. Into flat right over crest. 4 left. 80 down. Slow in small crest. Hairpin right again. Hairpin right at the bottom here. 170. 174 left, no cut. 150. Clear ahead, 3 right, tightens over small crest. Clear ahead, 3 right, tightens over small crest here. 40, 5 left long. 40, 5 left long, and flat right. 60, care, 2 left long, deceptive. And 5 right, yeah, care, pull back. 2 right long, and 5 right long. That's it, good man, good man. 5 right long, 60, flat left, over bump. 80 up mid. Flat right over crest, 40, 5, double caution, 5 left, continues for 100 and tightens into 2 left, goes all the way around now to 2 left, a lot of 2 left, 2 rights here, 2 left, into 2 right long, to 2 right long, into 3 left, 3 left, into 2 left, and 2 right long, 2 left here, and 2 right long, into 2 left, opens, 2 left opens, 60, turn hairpin left through post. Turn hairpin left here through post. And 3 right. 3 right. Into 3 left. Don't cut the 3 left. And flat left long. Flat left long. Into flat right. Into small crest long. Into flat right. Flat right here. 100 up. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. 100. Flat right. 80. Okay, turn hairpin right. Tight, don't cut. Top here. 130. Flat crest, 130, flat crest. 250. Bus stop chicane on left. Right entry. 150. Flat right. Flat right. Number 150. Flat left long. Flat left long. Number 150. Left into small crest into 2 left opens. 150. The left into slow in small crest 2 left opens here. 2 left opens into 5 left long. Into 5 left long. Here. Into flat right over crest. Flat right over crest, 40 down, 5 left over crest, 40, 5 right, 45 right, 60, 5 right into 3 left, 3 right, sorry, 3 left, 3 right, slow into hairpin right, 3 right here, into hairpin right, tightens, 40, 2 left, goes all the way around, another 40, another 2 left, stay in, 60, flat right over crest, 60 flat right over crest, 100 at mid, big crest jump, 150 down mid, slow in, 5 right, tightens long into hairpin right, to turn hairpin right at the bottom there in the trees, 60, 64 left, continues for 100, tightens into 2 left, goes all the way around, tightens into 2 left, here, 60, flat left, 60, small crest, into 3 left long, into 5 right, 3 left long here, into 5 right, 200, 200 small jump, and 5 right, into 4 left, slow in, turn hairpin right, so 5 right, into 4 left, slow in, turn hairpin right at the bottom here, yeah, here, hairpin right here, 40, come on, 4 left, 40, turn 2 right, don't cut. The bottom here, turn 2 right, don't cut. 250. 4 right over crest bump, the bottom. 4 right over crest bump, 63 right. 63 right. There's 100. Flat left, tightens into 3 left over crest. So flat left, 100, tightens into 3 left over crest. And 6 right, 40, 5 right long, and flat left over crest, 5 right long, flat left over crest, 130 down, flat left over crest, 40, 5 right long here, and crest flat left, 40 flat right, 80, flat right long, 130, 3 right long at the bottom here, 130, 2 left over crest, that's junction, 150, flat left, 150, flat left, 80, 4 left into flat right 400, here, 4 left, into flat right 400, tightens, 65 right, yeah, 5 right here, 40, 5 left long, 5 left long here, 40, 5 left, 100 up, turn hairpin left, opens here. Turn hairpin right long, but round, keep to left round the barrier. There's a barrier in your left. Stay out. That's it. And 4 left, into flat right, 150, turn hairpin left, tightens the top here. $200 up mid. 5 right and 3 left, tightens through junction. 5 right, 3 left through tightens through junction. 130 up mid. Flat right. 130 flat right. 40 flat left 100. Into tight, 3 left, 6 right. 3 left, 6 right. Yeah, 3 left, 6 right. 40. Flat left long opens. 40. 5 right, tight. 60, turn 3 right, turn 3 right, 40, flat left for 130, tightens, and 5 right, and those arrows, 5 right, 40, flat left for 170, into 5 right through finish. 5 right finish here now. 200. The man. All right with it?
That was a bit better, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I felt it anyway.
So we caught the behemoth. See the dust. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
What, is that shaking? Excitement? Or bad nerves?